How to verify number on Twilio. So in this video, I'll show you how to verify number on Twilio. So to get started, go ahead and open twilio.com into your preferred browser, sign into your Twilio account, and then once you're signed in, head over into that verify tab at the left side of your screen. So under the verified tab, you'll be able to find that services tab. So click on services from here and then click on this create new service under the services. Name this to something like app login and then go ahead and enable all of the applied ways for verification. And then after that, go ahead and click on that continue button on the bottom of this pop-up. So once this is done, that will take you here. So make sure to click on continue, and then after that, that will take you into this page. So in here, you can go ahead and find your service as ID. So it will start with the VA letter under the service as ID tab. So send a verification code. So with CURL, you can go ahead and enter your CURL code. You can also verify this with Node.js using your preferred code. You just need to make sure that you set the SID to your SID that you have received in this page, and that is how you can basically verify number on Twilio. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.